Hey, it's Mark Ferguson with Invest for More, and I'm back at the Post-Occupancy Hoarder house with an update on the remodel. We are making some progress now, and it's nice to see it looking a little better. So Nikki and I just walked through it. Nikki's my project manager, and she said this is the first time she hasn't been horrified by this house. So that was a good sign. Of course, we like the likes, comments, seeing new subscribers. So welcome to the channel if you haven't been here before. This was a crazy house when I first bought it. It had tons of stuff everywhere, mostly outside. I bought it from a wholesaler. There's a post-occupancy agreement, and the sellers blew right through that. We haven't settled up on that months later. But we got all the stuff out, and now the remodel has made the house so much better. So I'll show you what it looks like. And it's funny, we're in Colorado, northern Colorado, and we've had so much rain, and just, we had 13 inches of rain in May and the start of June. And we usually have about 14 inches the entire year. Well, now that it stopped raining, of course the grass is drying out. We're realizing, we didn't get hoses and sprinklers on some of these yards, so we need to do that now. So there's always something you have to think about. All right, so this is the house. I'll link the before video as well. It was much different, and we've had our crews just busy on other projects, so it took us a while to finally get to remodeling this one. We were fixing up a triplex, sorry. Fixing up rental units, had some other projects going. So we were finally able to get to work on this one, and it's mostly painted. They're doing flooring next. Of course, we'll have light fixtures. The doors are in. I think all the windows are in, at least almost all of them. So we're making so much progress. We don't have the kitchen yet. So that will be coming up here soon. And of course, the outside will need some work still too. We still have that dumpster. That's been here a while, but we'll have to paint the outside. You can see we'll need to put some trim on the outside. Some of the work has been done, but still a little bit more. And this yard was just full, absolutely full of junk. And we did have someone who was breaking into the house, broke a window, but that has stopped since we put up a camera and since they started working here. So never did see anybody, but that was the point, was to stop them from breaking in, so that's good. Some of the things we've done, this was a weird closet that was kind of connected over there, so we just closed that off, made it its own closet, covered up, the weird vents that were there. This will be a closet as well here. And yeah, we still have some bathroom work to do. But the rooms look so much better. And it smells so much nicer as well in here too. This was the fish tank room, where they had a fish tank with a cutout in the wall, but you could only see it, you couldn't see it very well because the stairs went down there. And then they had it tied into the plumbing and a drain going to the outside. So yeah, we got rid of all of that. So yeah, the hole was right there. So you couldn't really see the fish tank that well. I have a fish tank in my office. I do enjoy a good fish tank, but it was a weird setup. And down here, progress too, still some work to be done in here. But this will have a door, so it could be a bedroom. And, I wonder what's going on right there. That's kind of weird. And then we'll have furnace, laundry back there. The automatic lights are weird. And then this, we put a door on as well, so that this could be used as a bedroom too, or a family room. I guess either one could be used that way. But that way, it can be a true 4-bedroom if somebody wants it to be, or they can use this as living space down here. This had a window there before that was broken and covered up and just real weird, so we just covered that window up, added this big closet. So now you can have a big closet, big bedroom, or family room. So that is the house, the progress. We'll have more updates here coming up soon as we make more progress. Getting closer. But this was a big project. We paid $247,000 for it. It should be worth around $400,000, but we will have quite a bit of time and money into it. Haven't totaled all that up yet. So it definitely won't be like a massive, massive money maker, but we should do okay on it. All right, love the likes, love the comments, love the shares, love seeing new subscribers. We'll be back with this updates on this property soon, plus the laundromat, car wash I just bought, plus the country flip, plus another flip we just bought, plus of course the other businesses and rentals. So we have lots and lots of stuff to talk about.